Not Merry Christmas at all. Happy New Year. It's January the 1st, 2023. We've started off today with a very dull, overcast day. I normally go up to Cornwall New Year's morning, but it's so dull and overcast and it's just shrouded in mist at the minute. So I thought I'll try the other way and go up to the coast road, see if we can get any views from up there, but I'm not holding out much hope. Right, coming into Bell Lake, got a steep climb out of here, and I'm not in the best of conditions at the minute. Definitely let myself go at the minute, but 1st of January, time to kick it up again. Just coming up from Bell Lake towards Hell's Mouth now. That's the worst of the climb out of the way. A little bit more to do. Right, made it down to Hell's Mouth. View's not as beautiful as usual, but it's still good. Very overcast here as well. Oh, I think I see a seal. There we go. That's a young one. Just coming away from Hell's Mouth, just going to cycle along to the Basset Cove. It's not the best of days today, but we're lucky to be where we are, still fit and healthy, and out in the fresh air. Still. I was wondering earlier why I wasn't seeing many walkers today. Now you can see why. These paths are completely waterlogged and mudded over. Alright on this beauty, but unless you've got good boots and good constitution, not great for walking. Right in the distance over there, that you can see, Cornwall, where I normally go on a New Year's Day. Actually, first time I've been able to see it for the day. It's been covered in mist most of it. Down at Basset Cove now. There's no boots down there if we can get there. definitely brightening up over there. Right, and we're just coming out of Basset then. Look around, a few pictures. Right, a bit of a boring road ride back now. Hopefully we'll be out again this afternoon with the dog. If I do, I'll film that and maybe make one complete video.